Hi, I'm Ariel Simnagar, and I go to UMass Amherst.
I'm Nadav Kolodner, and I go to WPI.
Hi, my name is Avi Porath, and I'm a sophomore at the University of Illinois.
My name is Alex Bulanov, and I'm a second-year computer science student at Georgia Tech.
I believe that right now with COVID, we need to do everything we can to solve the small, everyday problems that arise in life. If you can know exactly how many people are going to be in a store before you even enter the store, that's invaluable information for keeping yourself, your family, your friends, and acquaintances all safe.
Open.ENTEX is a computer vision tool that tracks people entering and exiting an establishment and provides that data through a web app.
Whether they're a store owner keeping track of how many people enter or exit their store, whether they're a hospital, people are able to have access to these analytics that are important to them while at the same time maintaining the privacy of the individuals that enter and exit their establishments.
We split into two sub-teams to develop our project. Two of us worked on the OpenCV algorithm, while the other two worked on a web app that was able to receive this data and upload it. Working on the computer vision sub-team, Ariel and I had very different backgrounds. I was much more familiar in Python working with data science, while Ariel had a much more theoretical background. The computer vision method that we used to separate the background from objects is called background subtraction.
We used a machine learning model called a Gaussian mixture model to model arbitrary backgrounds and the way that they changed over time. We were able to remove the background successfully in many different instances, from like a solid wall behind us to an entire street view. Avi and I created an algorithm to detect moving areas in the frame after the background had been removed. We were able to implement the number of islands algorithm to heuristically detect whether these moving areas represented people or smaller aberrances that could be safely ignored. We were able to give the program a notion of what a person was across frames and be able to detect people's position changing between frames and assign those changing positions to the same person object in memory. The algorithm exclusively focuses on the position and shape of a person. There's nothing that keeps track of a person's face or appearance or anything like that.
One of the biggest difficulties we found was when two people walked in opposite directions and passed each other. Our CV algorithm was unable to differentiate where one person ended and another started. This caused issues when we were trying to account for people leaving and entering at the same time.
Avi was able to use his algorithmic knowledge to tackle the edge case of the two people crossing one another and successfully have the algorithm figure out what was going on.
So our front-end implementation is based around two main things. The first one is the web app built in Svelte, which takes information and displays it. We have some graphs, we have some bars, sort of provides the user with information in as easy of a way to consume as possible. And the second main thing we have is a database running in Google's Firebase.
Alex and I went into this with varying degrees of experience with the technologies we worked with. We both have a working knowledge of JavaScript, and we both knew a little bit about Firebase, but going into this, neither of us really had in-depth experience with a lot of the technologies that we used.
We were able to challenge different problems while working together. While I was trying to optimize some of the data structures we were using, Nadav was able to work on our user interface and things like that.
Sharing and assistance and partner coding, all of these are things that we really use to build a good dynamic between the two of us and the four of us at the same time. I'm glad to be learning new technology with my friends as a part of a hackathon. I feel like this is the spirit of what hackathons are all about.
This algorithm is a great open source way for people to be able to use analytics while at the same time remaining conscious about people's privacy and how important it is to protect it.
A lot of businesses getting less traffic. We're hoping that our application is able to help business owners optimize the times they keep their businesses open or when they provide the most advertising.
Part of the message of open.ENTEX is that analytics does not have to violate privacy. Establishments can collect useful information about the way that their services are used while at the same time maintaining the privacy of their clients.
Our application is available to the public on GitHub, and so anyone can take it and follow our instructions and implement it for their own use.